This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by James Sturgill. Wonderfully maintained, single level 3-bedroom/2 bath rancher on 0.72 acres. Lots of high-end and desirable features: split bedrooms, custom kitchen, open floor plan, Brazilian rosewood floors, 3-year-old 40-year roof, platinum warranted life-proof carpeting. Updated, open concept kitchen has lovely Lapidus Leathered Granite with a 15-year warranty, mosaic tile, large farmhouse sink, large island, tilebacksplash, stainless steel appliances, large butler's pantry with plenty of storage, large laundry room with storage, granite entry inlay, 9-foot ceilings and reverse osmosis water filtration system. 23x36 walk-in storage area in crawl space with concrete floor. This is a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact James Sturgill at 865-342-4200.